If you're a car dealer and you are tired of chasing customers up and down, even the ones that come into your office and they don't buy, and you question what is going on, stay tuned because there is hope. In this video, we're going to discuss why some dealers sell vehicles very easily, why some dealers are stuck with one vehicle for months. Using this illustration, let's say dealer A is a money-making dealer, while dealer B is the struggling dealer. We will use the same illustration to describe the three common sense practices between dealer A, the money-making dealer, and dealer B, the struggling dealer. Practice number one, sell the solution, not the car. You see, dealers think like customers just come into the car because they just want a vehicle. Dealer should know that when customer comes into their office, they are coming to the office to solve a problem. Maybe the customer that come in is looking for gas-saving vehicle solution. Maybe the customer that come in is looking for vehicle that will be comfortable for the growing family. Maybe the customer that come in is looking for vehicle that is reliable. But the difference is that dealer A will pay attention to the customer, listen to the customer's issue, and then try to solve that issue. Practice number two, make buying easy for customers. You see, dealer B will make it very difficult for customers to buy from them. Dealer B will show up late when it comes to appointment. Dealer B will be forcing deal on a client instead of understanding client's problem and try to solve that problem. Dealer B will be omitting information. That's called lie by omission. But you see, dealer A is the one that will provide the information that are facts about the vehicle, because they know by providing solid information about whether it's good or bad, you provide those information for the customer that will build the like and trust. And when a customer like and trust the dealer, sales takes place. Practice number three, treat every customer that comes to your office like they are going to bring 5 or 7 customers back to you. Dealer B hardly gets someone to his office, and when one person comes, they feel like, oh, this is last supper. They feel like they can scrape every meat out of one client, and that will leave a bad taste for that customer, and the experience will be bad, and they will get a bad review. While dealer A understands that this customer that comes to my office, I'm going to give that customer the utmost experience that they ever received in this world. Knowing that will make them feel great, because the A understands that this one customer, if he has a great experience, this customer is the future campaign for him. Don't forget that this customer has co-workers, has friends, has neighbors, and this customer with word of mouth will be a campaign advertiser for dealer A. Overall, if you use common sense by listening to the customer to know their problem, solve their problem, make it easy for them to buy, you will become dealer A, who is the money maker. At the end, being dealer A, you will continue to buy smart, sell fast, and make a lot of money. My friend, you are in the game.